Hello and welcome students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study about our fourth chapter, that is sorting materials into groups. We have already completed this chapter in our earlier classes, but here is a quick revision for you all. So, materials can be sorted into different groups according to its shape, its material from which it is made, and many other things, right? So over here we are going to see how we can sort materials into different groups. So I'm starting with the chapter. We have seen that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is such a vast variety in objects everywhere. We see around us chairs, bullock carts, cycles, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stone, and many other objects. All these different objects have different shape, different color, and different uses. Look around and identify the objects that are around in shape. Our list may include a rubber ball, a football, and a glass marble. If we include objects that are nearly round, our list could also include objects like apple, orange, and earthen pitcher, which is also called as gagar. So basically we have so many things around us, and we come across many objects in our day-to-day life. So how do we sort that things? So we can sort with the help of a shape, with the help of its color, and many other things. Now we'll come to the first topic, which is appearance and properties of materials, which is appearance, right? So what are the properties of materials? How can we sort different objects? So we can sort different objects or materials with its appearance, right? All materials from which the objects are made have different properties like appearance. The first thing is appearance. For example, over here we can see that some materials shine, some materials do not shine, right? So that is the appearance. Like for example, over here materials usually look different from each other. Wood looks very different from iron. Iron appears different from copper or aluminum. At the same time, there may be some similarities between iron, copper, and aluminum that they are not there in wood. So all the materials which are used are some and how different from each other, right? Here is the activity for the appearance, right? But as we have completed, I'll move to the next property of the material, which is hardness. So all the different materials have different they have different properties. Like some are hard, some are soft. Like for example, we can take some materials like wood, aluminium, piece of stone, candle, chalk. Not everyone will be scratched easily. Some may take a while and some may easily be scratched, right? So what is this what is this difference? It is because some materials are soft and some materials are hard, right? For example, cotton or sponge is soft while iron is hard. Moving to the next topic, which is soluble and insoluble. What are soluble substance and what are insoluble substance? So basically, soluble substance are those substance which can be easily mixed with water, and insoluble substance are those substance which cannot be mixed with water. Along with that, we have also studied that not all the solids can be mixed, but we can also have some liquids which do not mix with solids. For example, we have an activity over here like water plays a very important role, right, for our functioning of body. Same way, not all substance or all material gets dissolved in water. Some materials gets dissolved in water while some does not. So here we are going to see that do liquids also dissolve in water? Like solid materials, some solid materials dissolve, but do liquids also dissolve? Collect samples of vinegar, lemon juice, mustard oil, coconut oil, and kerosene, and we need to check whether other substance like wood, chalk that dissolves in other liquids or not. We saw that wood, chalk, lemon, that all won't dissolve in water. But do liquid dissolve? What will take liquids like vinegar, lemon juice, mustard oil, coconut oil? Do this dissolve in water? So few liquids would dissolve in water, but few won't dissolve in water, right? So here was an activity again for you to check whether liquids dissolve in water or not. Moving towards the next topic, which is transparency. Transparency means whenever you can see a thing from both the sides, right? That is called as transparent. So you might have played this game of hide and seek. Think of some places where you would like to hide. So would you like to hide behind a window, glass window? So obviously not, because you will be visible easily through a glass window because glass is transparent. Same way, you must have observed many shopkeepers keeping this type of transparent bottles so that the customers can easily see the biscuits, sweets, chocolate inside the container, right? So what is this transparent thing called? Why do they use this transparent materials or transparent containers? So that the viewers or the customers can easily see what is inside that container, right? On the other hand, there are some materials through which you are not able to see. These materials are called as opaque, right? So materials through which we cannot see from both the side, like wood, wall, right, cardboard. This all are the materials from which we cannot see from both the sides. These materials are called as opaque materials. And now we will come to our last topic, that is translucent. We also come across some materials from which we cannot clearly see from both the sides, right? We can see partially or a little bit shadow we can see from that material. So that type of materials are called as translucent material, from which we cannot see the back side or from both the side clearly, right? So over here I'm going to stop with our chapter. Here was a quick revision about what we had studied in our other classes, right? So we'll see you in the next class. Thank you.